All right, welcome to this video. So without wasting time, let me show you how to create your brand new Konga store in 2023. This video, you're going to learn how to create the store the right way, how to see the details that are required by Konga, and how to follow the process step by step. So by the end of this video, you would know how to create a Konga selling store, a store you can use to sell your products on the Konga platform. So to do that, you can come over to their website, shq.konga.com. or when you land on the Konga website like this, you can click on sell on Konga right here. It's going to take you to a page where you ask you to grow your business, reach millions of buyers in every state in Nigeria easily. Why sell on Konga? You can earn more money reaching over 50 million buyers across the states in Nigeria. There are lots of buyers on Konga. You can get no commissions when you sell on Konga. I did a video, my previous video, showing you the fees that are involved with selling on Konga. So after this video, make sure you click on this top here and watch that video, or you go to the platform onto my channel and watch that video, so that when you create your store, I'm going to make a video showing you how to list your product. So you create your store, you list your product, you have to understand the fees involved selling on this platform. So once you're here, you can click on register now. Now once you click there, it's going to bring you down to a dashboard that looks like this. So right here, you can same thing. Once you come here, you click start selling. It's going to take you to a similar dashboard that looks like this. So yeah, you can create a seller account, start selling on Konga today. So we have multiple steps to fill. So what you need to do here simply is to put in your store name. So you can say your store name, right? So your store, you can see it's going to pop out your URL right here, konga.com/. So there will be something here like merchants, then your store name. Then a description, you can say that we deal quality, health, and personal care items. So something short like this, just a description of what you sell, of what you want to sell on Konga. We deal in, I think it's deal on new one. So just look at what correct and put it there. So next thing, you put your valid email address. Now make sure you have not used these details you are using right here to create a store on Konga before. Make sure your store name is unique so that you can be approved. Make sure your email address is the first time you're using it on Konga, because you cannot use the same email to create multiple stores. Same with phone number. You cannot use one phone number to create two stores on Konga. All right, so you put in your email address, your password. Make sure the password is very strong. You choose your title. Are you Mr. or Mrs. or Miss? You put in your first name, your last name, your phone number, your street address. Maybe it's going to appear on the map. You put in your states. In my case, I'm in Lagos, so just choose Lagos. Your local government, anywhere you are, your local government, you choose your local government, your city, landmark, what is close to you, and how do you hear about Konga? You can just simply say Konga websites. That's something difficult. So I'm just going to fill these parts and come back and show you guys how we can go to the next section, because I'm creating this store live. I'm creating a brand new store with you guys. So let me just fill in the details quickly and come back. All right, so I fill in the details and I'll just scroll down and I'll click continue. So if everything looks good, this is what you're going to see. Verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. If you did not receive the email, it does not work, please contact this number or email more@konga.com. All right, so I'm just going to check our email and click on the verification link. All right, so they will send an email that looks like this: merchant registration email verification. So you just have to check your inbox, get that email, scroll down and click on verify. Click here to verify your email address. So once you click here, it's going to take you to a dashboard that looks like this. All right, so sometimes it will ask you to verify your phone number, but in this case, it didn't ask us to verify the phone number. So once it asks you to verify your phone number, you just have to put in your phone number and they will send you a OTP, a one-time code, and you put in the code and you can verify your phone number and come to this stage. So in this stage, we have 5 stages to go through. All right, the first stage is to read through the terms and conditions of Konga. So you can just simply read through. You don't have to read everything. I know they said we should read through, but there's some parts that you just need to read. You just need to read the compensation, maybe the agreement, and some part that are very important for you to know as a new seller. So just read through basically and Once you're done reading, you can just click I have gone through the terms and conditions, then you click on next. So from next, it will ask you for the orientation guide. Konga has a guide for every seller to understand their platform. So here you just click on get orientation guide. It's going to open on a new tab if you're using a laptop. So on this new tab, when you have the time, which is very, very important, you need to go through this seller handbook to understand how Konga operates. Everything is in here. So let's get back here. So you said, okay, I've read through the orientation guide, and you click here, I've gone through the orientation guide, you click next. Here it will ask you to upload a verified ID, a valid ID from you. So it's either a driver's license, national ID card, international passport, or any valid means of identification. So in this case, we have an international passport to upload. So I'm just going to upload that right now. Okay, so once you upload that, it's going to bring us to the next part that asks us to upload your passport photograph. So I'm just going to upload that also. So it's loading. Now to ask us to verify our bank details. So once you click provide bank details, here you're going to put your bank name. So with bank, a Nigerian commercial bank, so GT Bank, you put your account number and you click here. So I'm just going to put in our account number quickly. So once you put in your account number, you have to click check account name. Now with this, it's going to verify the account number and bring out the name of the account. So it's fetching the name. So if it brings out the name correctly, then you know that, okay, this is your account. So for that, you're going to click on proceed. So with this proceed, your account opening should be complete and you should have a store on Konga. Let's just wait and see. All right, so you can see that it brings us straight to our dashboard where we can now proceed in choosing a subscription plan. All right, now this is where the other video I made is very, very important, to choose a subscription plan. So right now we'll go to physical goods. This is where you see all Konga's subscription plan. In that video, I show you the importance of paying for a subscription plan, or the importance of knowing the fees that Konga charge. So right here, you can click here and you go to commissions. This is where you see Konga's commission, how much you would pay. I explain the details, the difference between this and this, because if we look at it on this particular category, this one is 8.5, this one is 12%, and this one is 13%. So why are they different? Why is this one more than this? Why is this one more than the both of them? So I explain all these things in detail. You need to know them. All right, so if you go to subscription or back to, let me go back to home page, to dashboard. So before you start adding products to your store, you have to subscribe to a plan. So you can click on select plan. Most people choose the 2,500 plan to get started. So I'm just going to choose this plan to get started. I choose this plan. I want to just do it for a month, because after a month, I would like to upgrade to a bigger plan. So let me choose this plan for now. For 1 month, I'll click proceed. So here I'll click I want to pay now. So I would like to pay with my card. Here I'll put in my card details and I'll click on pay now. So let me just quickly do that. So once you're done putting in your card details here, your card number, the date on the front of your ATM card, the code at the back of your card, then your card pin, your ATM pin, the pin you use to withdraw money in your ATM. Don't worry, Konga is secured, so you can put your details. So once you're done with that, you click pay now. So if you have money in your account, they're going to withdraw the money from your card. But first, I think they will send you an OTP to confirm that this card belongs to you. Let's wait and see. So they're going to send a code and OTP to my phone number, because I'm paying from my card, even though this account is created for a client. So 56. All right, so that's the OTP I received. So I'll click on submit. Now once there's money in your card, you're going to withdraw the money and your accounts will be active. So let's just wait and see. All right, so you can see transaction completed successfully. So right now you have an active plan on Konga. Within the next few minutes or few hours, they're going to activate it. By then you can now start adding product to your store. But right now it's still kind of processing. That's why once you click anything, it's going to bring you down here to make payment. But you can see it's active. So in the next few hours or few minutes, they will activate your store from the back end and you're able to list products. So I'm going to make a video showing you how to add products to your store professionally. so that your product will rank and you start getting sales within the same week or first week or first month, depending on the type of product that you sell. There's so many videos coming up. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button below this video and also the bell notification icon so that you get notified when we put up new videos. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section, and I do my best to answer every question. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.